She's holding on, never afraid to fall. She finds the tears back from her eyes. She keeps a distance from 1,000 faces. She braves the storm inside her heart. Her head's in the clouds, her back faced the past, and not scared what tomorrow might bring. Her heart is so black and blue, but never stops on loving you. Falls like her body's made of steel. She's invincible. She's beautiful, inside and out, wandering from smile to smile. Doesn't know her left or right. She falls down again. She dusts the dirt and saves herself. Her head's in the clouds, her back face the past, and not scared what tomorrow might bring. Her heart is so black and blue, never stops on loving you. Falls like her body's made of steel. She's invincible. She's got the wind beneath her hair, the ground below her feet. That's all she needs before she goes. Her head's in the clouds, her back face the past, and not scared what tomorrow might bring. Her heart is so black and blue, never stops on loving you. Falls like her body's made of steel. She's invincible. She's invincible.